Third grade friends, welcome back to Mrs. Lassig's music class. It's time to put down your switch, get off the couch, stand up on your feet, and let's get moving a little bit. See if you can remember what we did. So this is going to be a quick review of the last part that we did in our Friends Like Me, so you remember that, and then I'm going to teach you a little more so we can keep moving along and having some fun. So here we go. Our last kind of chunk that we had learned started out, well, yes sir, we pride ourselves on service. You're the boss, the king, the Shah. Say what you wish, it's yours true dish. How about a little more baklava? Have some of column A, try all of column B. I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me. And then we have a funky little move in the wah 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 section. So we do, so you're imagining a square and you're gonna hit each four corner like this. So first we're just throwing wah wah wah, mo my. So that's just throwing wah wah wah, mo my. Then we take it up a notch and snap the second rectangle. Wah wah wah, no no. And then the last one is taking it to clapping. Wah wah wah, na na na, and then just da 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 da. So here we go, putting that all together. It's wah wah wah, mo my, wah wah wah, na no no, wah wah wah, na na na, da 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 da. So when you put in the music, we'll do it all with the music. It'll sound like this: wah wah wah, mo my, wah wah wah, no no, wah wah wah, na na na, da 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 da. Which leads us to our cool bridge part, which we'll do next.